Meet the armadillo, a unique creature from South and Central America. It's not just its odd appearance that sets it apart, but its fascinating biology too. Firstly, what's up with the armor? Armadillos have a protective shell covering their bodies. This armor, known as a carapace, is made of bony plates called scutes. Each armadillo species has a different number of scutes, with 9 banded armadillos boasting the most at around 100. But how does an armadillo move with a hard shell? Flexibility is key. The armadillo's spine is designed to allow it to curl up into a ball when threatened, with its armor providing a formidable defense. Now, let's talk about their diet. Armadillos are omnivores, eating everything from insects to small vertebrates and even fruits. Their long, sticky tongue, combined with their strong claws, helps them dig burrows and catch their prey. While they may look like mammals, armadillos share some characteristics with reptiles. For instance, they are one of the few mammals that can hibernate in the winter, entering a state called torpor to conserve energy. Did you know that armadillos are also immune to leprosy? This is because they have a unique protein in their bodies that helps them resist the bacteria that causes the disease. This has led to armadillos being used in medical research to develop leprosy drugs. Armadillos are truly fascinating creatures, with their unique appearance, interesting behavior, and incredible biology. Next time you see one, remember, beneath its tough exterior lies a creature as intriguing as the stars above.